Welcome to the second and final video of our Co-Marketing Mastery series. In this final video, we're diving deep into the process of finding the perfect co-marketing partner. Learn, discover, and watch as we guide you through the steps to ensure a successful co-marketing journey. But before we continue, please remember that we have included resource links in the description to help you with your marketing endeavors. Okay, let's get started. Embarking on a co-marketing journey is thrilling, but it all starts with finding the perfect partner who shares your vision and complements your brand. In this video, we'll guide you through the matchmaking process, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps that will help you identify and connect with your ideal co-marketing soulmate. Step 1. Know your brand inside out before searching for a partner. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your own brand, including 1. Your target audience, 2. Your brand values and identity, 3. Your unique selling proposition or USP, and 4. They should have similar marketing goals. Having this information at your fingertips will help you identify potential partners whose offerings, audiences, and values align with yours. Step 2. You need to research your potential partners. Once you've nailed down your brand essentials, it's time to put your detective hat on and start researching potential partners. You should look for companies that have the following criteria. 1. They target a similar or complementary audience. 2. They offer products or services that complement yours. 3. They have a strong brand reputation and presence. And 4. They share similar values and goals. Keep a list of potential partners and don't be afraid to think outside the box. The perfect partner may not be an obvious choice at first glance. Step 3. With your list of potential partners in hand, you need to assess compatibility. Dive deeper into assessing compatibility by considering the following factors. Your first consideration should be expertise. Does the potential partner bring valuable skills and knowledge to the table? Next is resources. Can they contribute to the partnership in terms of budget, time, or manpower? The third consideration should be audience. Is there a significant overlap or complementarity between your audiences? And lastly, take a look at brand synergy. Will your collaboration create a seamless and compelling experience for customers? Okay, by now you have a pretty good idea of who you should partner with. Now we'll take a look at the fourth step, which is making the first move. Now that you've found a promising co-marketing partner, it's time to reach out and initiate the conversation. Craft a personalized and compelling pitch that highlights the following important elements of your future partnership. 1. The benefits of a co-marketing partnership. 2. Your shared goals and values. 3. The specific co-marketing tactics you'd like to explore. And 4. Success stories or examples that demonstrate your expertise and credibility. Remember, this is your chance to make a great first impression, so be enthusiastic and confident about your proposal. Step 5. You need to build a strong foundation. Once you've found your perfect co-marketing partner, it's crucial to build a strong foundation for your collaboration with the following elements. Establish open lines of communication, set clear expectations, and develop a mutually beneficial agreement that outlines each partner's roles, responsibilities, and contributions. Discovering your ideal co-marketing partner is a thrilling adventure that requires research, creativity, and a bit of matchmaking magic. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to forging a powerful partnership that can elevate your brand, expand your reach, and create unforgettable experiences for your audience. Up next in our video, we'll dive into crafting a winning co-marketing strategy that brings your partnership to life and sets you on the path to success. You found the perfect co-marketing partner, and now it's time to bring your collaboration to life with a winning strategy. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a co-marketing strategy that maximizes your partnership's potential, ensuring a successful and impactful campaign. The following is a simple guideline to help you achieve your co-marketing strategies. First up is laying the groundwork before diving into specific tactics and channels. It's essential to establish a solid foundation for your co-marketing strategy by following this list of items. Number 1 on the list is defining your goals. Clearly outline the objectives of your co-marketing campaign, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads. And then you need to identify your target audience. Ensure you have a clear understanding of the combined audience you're targeting with your co-marketing efforts. You should then take the time required to set a budget for your co-marketing campaign, taking into account the resources each partner will contribute. And lastly, you will jointly need to establish a timeline for your co-marketing campaign, which will outline key milestones and deadlines. Once you've created your foundation by following the list, you'll want to consider the following steps. Step 1. Choose the right channels and tactics based on your goals, audience, and budget. Select the most effective channels and tactics for your co-marketing campaign. Consider options such as joint webinars, co-produced content, shared landing pages, cross-promotion on social media, or exclusive offers and discounts. Step 2. Develop compelling content. Collaborate with your co-marketing partner to create high-quality, engaging content that showcases both brands' expertise and provides value to your audience. Ensure that the content is consistent with both brands' messaging and style. Step 3. Create a promotion plan. Develop a comprehensive promotion plan that outlines how you'll share and amplify your co-marketing campaign. Consider utilizing each partner's own channels such as website, blog, email list, and social media, as well as earned and paid channels. Step 4. Set key performance indicators or your KPIs. Establish KPIs that align with your campaign goals, allowing you to measure the success of your co-marketing efforts. Examples include website traffic, social media engagement, content downloads, or lead generation. Step 5. With your strategy in place, it's time to execute your co-marketing campaign. Ensure that both partners fulfill their responsibilities, communicate regularly, and adhere to the agreed-upon timeline and budget. Step 6. Measure and evaluate results. Track your KPIs throughout the campaign and analyze the results to determine the effectiveness of your co-marketing efforts. Use this data to inform future co-marketing campaigns and optimize your strategy. And here are some final tips. As we wrap up this video series on co-marketing, let's take a moment to reflect on the insights and strategies you've gained throughout this journey. Here are some key takeaways. Co-marketing versus co-branding. Understanding the differences between co-marketing and co-branding is crucial. Co-marketing focuses on collaborating to promote and create joint marketing campaigns, while co-branding involves creating a new product or service that combines both brand strengths. Key takeaway 2 involves finding the perfect partner. Identifying and connecting with the ideal co-marketing partner is the foundation for success. Look for companies with complementary offerings, shared values, and a strong brand presence that can contribute valuable resources and expertise to the partnership. Key takeaway 3 is crafting a winning strategy. A well-defined co-marketing strategy is the blueprint for your collaboration. Establish clear goals, choose the right channels and tactics, create compelling content, develop a promotion plan, set KPIs, and execute your campaign with precision. Key takeaway 4 is measuring your success. Tracking and analyzing KPIs throughout your co-marketing campaign is essential to gauge its effectiveness and inform future strategies. Use this data to optimize your co-marketing efforts and drive continuous improvement. And the last key takeaway is continuous learning and growth. Co-marketing is an ongoing journey, and there's always room for growth and improvement. Reflect on your experiences, learn from your successes and challenges, and continuously refine your approach to co-marketing. With the insights and strategies outlined in this video series, you're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to harness the power of co-marketing for your brand. As you embark on this exciting journey, remember that collaboration, creativity, and a relentless focus on delivering value to your audience are the keys to co-marketing success. We hope you found the information in this series valuable, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more insightful content. Thank you for joining us in this series, and we wish you the best of luck in your co-marketing endeavors.